We're here today to talk about Fishing Point Healthcare, Hampton Roads' premier Medicaid healthcare services provider, and we're joined by Sherry Johnson, a nurse practitioner at Fishing Point Healthcare. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Tell us a little bit why Fishing Point Healthcare was established and a little bit more about it.
So it was established intentionally for our Native Americans that are in the Nasman area of Suffolk. So we also expanded our care to allow the community to come in, the underserved populations that want quality care but don't necessarily have the means to get it. So we wanted to create access and equality of care in that spectrum. So we take Medicaid as well.
You also have kind of a holistic approach.
Yes, we definitely want to do a patient's workup as a holistic manner. So you have the mind and you have the body. So we also have mental health services that we offer, whether it's behavioral health for counseling or whether or not you need more of a medication regimen where a psychiatric or a mental health nurse practitioner can help with that if it's something outside of the spectrum of the practicing providers in the primary care. So for us as the body, we also take care of your patients that have a lot of comorbidities, whether it's diabetes, hyperlipidemia, heart failure, hypertension, stuff of that nature. So we take care of all of those things there as a whole. And then if we need any other services that we offer, then we just do it within house. So we try to offer as much of the things that they need to complete the holistic approach.
So really, you are a convenient one-stop healthcare provider.
As much as we can be, yes.
So you also, I guess you mentioned the pharmacy, you have labs, so you have everything.
We have a pharmacy, so if we write a prescription for the patient, we just write it for them and we either e-scribe it or write it out on a paper and send it over to the pharmacy and they can get it before they even leave the building. A lot of the labs that we want to do in-house, we can just put them in and we get our results, you know, within 24 to 48 hours. So that way we don't have to worry about extra billing services for the patient. We can try to nip all of that in the bud and take care of that.
And you also have in-home services, I understand.
We do have in-home services. So for those patients that may need physical therapy, occupational therapy, wound care, or just some assistance with just daily activities, we can offer that for them as well. We'll be opening up our dental clinic and then our physical therapy in-house as well. So we're trying to offer all the things that they may possibly need to have a better outcome in their health.
So where can we find more information?
So on our website, we have Fishing Point HC. That's where you can go to kind of see about us. And then you can also call our Portsmouth location at 757-861-9010.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Fishing Point Healthcare, Hampton Roads' premier Medicaid healthcare services provider.
That's right. Thank you.
Thank you.